morning, Tbcians out there. I remain my humble self, Mr. Bednat Emmanuel, CEO of Bednat 100% TBC Store. Here we are in an abattoir. You can see the cows that are available here. Likewise, the goats and the rams that are also here. They are now 100% TBC for our esteemed leaders and Tbcians out there. As you all know, we run this particular store through a referral process, and with that, all these cows, the goats you are seeing around here are now 100% TBC approved for you out there. It is our job to promote TBC, and we are taking, that is why Bednat is trying as much as possible to make it easy for Tbcians out there to have access to anything their heart desire, including cows, goats, and rams out there. God will bless us. This is just the beginning, and the next thing we are going to be doing is our flight. So see the pictures out there, see the numbers of cows we have around there, big fat ones, and you also can see the beautiful goats that are available here just for Tbcians out there. And I won't lie to you, it is now for us to work and have whatever our heart desires. It is real, it is 100% sure for you Tbcians out there. Let's work it together. Together we can make it happen. Let's promote this point. TBC, power to the people. God bless you. Thank you very much.